Is vulnerability a strength or is vulnerability a weakness? Hey everybody, so Friday I flew home from Rocky Mount, Virginia. I was visiting Chris Bishop's business. He had me in to do a 2-day talk on boundaries for his 40 people. And one of the takeaways that I came away with was I asked a question. We were talking about personal growth and development and what it takes to grow and climb and things that prevent people from climbing. And we talked about vulnerability. Is vulnerability a strength or is vulnerability a weakness? I asked the question, and most of the men in the class stood up and said, well, we think vulnerability is a weakness. So they were scared to be vulnerable. Vulnerability is a strength, and here's why. If you see vulnerability as a weakness and you hide it, you won't put yourself in a place where you're willing to be vulnerable. Meaning, if I've got something to do and I need to grow, I won't be willing to risk it because I might not do it and people might see my vulnerability. So vulnerability is as seen as a weakness. If you see it as a weakness, will prevent you from trying something new. You got to get out of your comfort zone to grow, and if you see vulnerability as a weakness, you won't get out of your comfort zone, because if you fail, and you will fail, you're going to expose yourself. Hey, I hope this helped you, and God bless. Subscribe to my channel, hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.